In addition to the general web and T-booking statistics and KPI charts on the home page, there are a number of reports for the T-booking system. To access these, go to the T-booking menu, Reports. The first report shows you the income received from the different green fees throughout the current year. You can adjust this report, so instead of showing value, you can show the actual number of green fees by selecting number in the data field and clicking the filter button. You can also select a different year to the current year to view the data for the current year. The next report is the no-show report, and this by default will show the number of no-shows for members that have booked teas and not shown up. And that by default starts from the first month of the launch of the website to the current date, but you can change that period by selecting different dates in these two fields and then clicking the filter button. The next report is the T-booking annual report, and this summarizes the number of bookings, different types of bookings in each month throughout the year, including the green fees value, and you can change this report for a different year. The final report allows you to compare performance on T-booking from one period to another, so that could be the same month compared to the previous year, or it could be 1 month in the current year compared with the previous month. So as an example of this, if we want to look at the performance in October, we can select October the 1st to October the 31st. By default, when we click filter, so there's the performance in October for period 1, and by default the period 2 will look at the same period in the previous year, which at the moment has got no data, but next year will have. I could also change this if I wanted to look at the previous month this year. So for example, I could go to September the 1st, 2012. September the 1st, 2012 to September 30th, 2012. So I'm comparing October of this year with September of this year, and that will show a comparison between the performance of T-booking between 2 consecutive months. So these reports allow you to get a pretty good handle on how the club's performing in terms of utilisation of the course.